TCL C72K QD Mini LED TV, a new contender in the Indian market. TCL has officially launched its latest offering in the premium television segment, the C72K QD Mini LED TV in India. Unveiled in July 2025, this new series aims to deliver a high-end viewing experience with its advanced display technology and a suite of features tailored for cinema enthusiasts and gamers. The TCL C72K is available in a range of sizes including 55-inch, 65-inch and 75-inch models, with pricing starting at Rs 84,990 for the base variant. Key specifications and features. The TCL C72K boasts a QD mini LED display which combines quantum dot technology with a mini LED backlight. This configuration promises enhanced brightness, higher contrast and more precise local dimming compared to traditional LED TVs. The television supports a 4K resolution and features a high 144Hz refresh rate, which is a significant draw for gamers seeking smooth motion and responsiveness. The peak brightness of the panel is rated at an impressive up to 2600 nits, suggesting a vibrant HDR performance. Under the hood, the C72K is powered by TCL's AIPQ Pro processor, which is designed to optimize picture quality through intelligent algorithms. The TV runs on Google TV platform, providing users with a familiar and app-rich smart TV experience. For audio, TCL has collaborated with Onkyo to equip the C72K with a sound system that supports Dolby Atmos, aiming to create an immersive auditory experience to match the visuals. Pricing and availability. The TCL C72K series is priced as follows for the initial models released in India. 55-inch Rs 84,990, 65-inch Rs 99,990, 75-inch Rs 1,59,990. The televisions are available for purchase through major online and offline retailers across the country. Performance and market positioning. As a newly launched model, in-depth professional reviews and direct comparison with its immediate 2025 competitors such as the latest Samsung Neo QLED and LG QNED models are still emerging. However, initial impressions from the launch announcement and user forum suggest that the TCL C72K is positioned to be a strong value proposition in the premium TV market. Early discussion indicates that the C72K's strength lies in its high brightness, vibrant color reproduction and extensive gaming features, including the 144Hz refresh rate. The inclusion of Google TV and a Dolby Atmos capable Onkyo sound system further enhances its appeal as an all-round entertainment hub. Potential buyers will be keen to see how the TCL C72K's real-world performance, particularly its black level, local dimming effectiveness and motion handling, stacks up against the establishment players in the segment. For now, on paper, the TCL C72K QD Mini LED TV presents a compelling package of modern television technology at a competitive price point for the Indian market.